Hello everybody, my name is Mars. Allow me to set the scene for you. It was 2016 and I was 14 years old when I went on a trip with my choir to New York City. Being a young, ambitious YouTuber, I decided to vlog it. Unfortunately, I had no idea what the hell I was doing. I'm talking there was 45 minutes of raw footage and you can already see how long this video is. So as a fun blast to the past, today you will be joining me on my 2016 New York City vlog. I hope you enjoy the video.
We're on a bus. We're on a bus. We're on a bus. Look at that kid. This means we're on a bus. Carver doesn't know that I'm being taping him.
There's literally not enough room on me.
Dude, nice. You got a camera?
Yeah. I just had McDonald's. Orange juice. We headed over there. At the tiny 7-Eleven. I got some mini donuts.
I don't. What if you could only hear your feet bite in this spot? Negative.
Well, that's great. Congratulations. Well, we're on our way now to Central Park. I'm gonna be your guide. I'll be on the bus with you guys, bugging you and giving you guys facts and stuff. So we're now at the southwest corner of Central Park. This is Columbus Circle, named after some dude. I don't know, Christopher Columbus. You guys ever heard of him? He supposedly he discovered America in 1492. He'd only been here for a few million years, but he discovered it in 1492. And this is a statue dedicated to him. It was built in 1892 to celebrate 400 years since he discovered America. There it is, Trump International Hotel and Tower.
Ooh.
You guys feel the ego, baby? You feel that ego just radiating? Oh man, I can feel it.
Carver, are you going to jump on things?
Of course I am.
Okay.
Don't do anything stupid.
They say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one.
I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it. Touch. Touch.
What are you doing, Josh? Take a video of us.
Are you really taking a video?
Yeah.
You're weird.
Oh,
His mom's gonna watch that and be like, damn, Carter's an asshole.
that's because he is.
Yeah.
Carter. Shame on you, Carter.
Why are you just taking videos of people?
A wild carter in its natural habitat. Oh no, we've been noticed. I don't know if you will take aggressive action. I should touch it. We're in the whispering well.
The whisper thing, you know. You whisper in one corner and you can hear it in the other corner, all the way over there.
Yeah.
And now, we invite you to enter One World Observatory through the doors on your right, where a spectacular 360-degree view of the city awaits directly below you.
Going to the Lego Center. A whole bunch of Legos for $15. It's amazing. There's a post there.
Let's go inside the building. I bet it's gonna be warm.
Maybe.
I bet it's warm inside the building.
No, really.